Okay, just going to do a little video on Tickety because basically when I booked this boat, I could not find any information about her. Where the previous boat, Chantelli, with a different company, was a little bit online about her, so it was good to know. So Tickety is a 2019, I think it was, Lagoon 40. Now it's a 4-cabin, 2-head cat. Mate, Whitsunday Esacpe have been fantastic from the get-go. We were trying to find a boat for this year and all the cats were booked. We'd actually booked a monohull with Whitsunday Rent-A-Yacht, and I just sent out an email and they came back saying this boat had somebody on it but they hadn't put any money on it. So basically they contacted them, they didn't want it, so we grabbed it. She's been great. She's got a really nice outdoor area, but what makes it, and you'll see in the other videos, is the black shades and just cutting out the heat. Because that's last time, that's what really hurt us, was the heat. We're actually in there now. It's just over 30 degrees here today. We're charging batteries, but we've actually got the gen set going. It's got a little 5 kilowatt, I think, or 4 kilowatt gen set, and we've got the aircon running. So it's really nice. And yeah, look, she's a great little boat. She's a little bit pokey in places. Like, just there's only 2 of us on board, so 4 couples would be, you know, I'd be going for something bigger for sure. But look, she's great. Enjoy. So, take you a tour of this Lagoon 40. So she's a 4-cabin version with 2 heads. But anyway, this bow and the tramp, furling head sail. We've got all the hatches up at the moment, trying to get breeze through the boat. It has got air conditioning, but we're not using it. Helm position. Hi Andy. So helm position, really cool B&G electronics. Really, we've been using the route plotter for nautical miles and everything. It's been unreal. But the beauty of this boat, compared to the last one we had, are these shades. It just makes all the difference, doesn't it, mate? Mm-hmm. Okay, that's it. Bye. Mm-hmm. Galley comes with a pretty good TV. We bought some movies. We watched a couple here and there. Bit small in here, but we pretty much live out there. Galley's pretty dirty because we only do washing up once a day because there's only the 2 of us on board. And I'll just go down on the starboard side.
Oh my God, shell the wood chipper.
So the forward starboard cabin, yeah, 2 people get in there, big cozy. This is my cabin. Yeah, very comfortable. For those of you who have a CPAC machine, mate, I haven't had to use the battery. That's a portable one I bought with us. Haven't had to use the battery at all. That's thanks to my mate John. And the head. Pretty pokey down here. It's pretty narrow. You've got to watch yourself on these door handles. The last Lagoon we had was a little bit wider in the holes, I think. So yeah, to get in, there's your shower. So to go to the toilet, you usually got to walk into the shower, shut the door, and the head's down there. So it's just a 4-cabin 2 head. So Andy's side's exactly the same. So heading back up into the galley. It's a decent size, but yeah, four couples in here get pretty squeezy, I reckon. Outside area is great. Like I said, these shades are amazing. And the only other thing I didn't mention, obviously got a barbecue like they all do, and 1 electric winch. But that's it, because when I looked for any information on this boat when I booked it, I couldn't find a thing. So yeah, hope this helps. Cheers.